Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text effect in CapCut PC. If this would just load, that'd be awesome. Like trying to find some patterns here. Hopefully that will load. I don't know though. Anyways, I'm just going to type in the word example, which I already did. I didn't know why I had to do that twice. And I'm going to find a bold font, like this one for instance. The video is not loading. I might use some other video for this, to be honest. I might even use this video since it's not like going to load. I'll actually use this one. So you're going to go to library as well, and you're going to add in a black stock video underneath first. Let's freeze frame that real quick. And I'm just going to copy and paste that. And I am going to add in a stroke. I'm going to add it the same color, like white. And I'm also going to make it not very thick. And I'm also going to add a glow as well. Select these two, right click, create compound clip, but not this one. And also on this one, I'm going to make the text black. So on this first layer, you're going to go to video and you're going to select the blend mode and you're going to select darken. Then I'm just going to select this one on top, right click, create compound clip again, go to video, go to the blend mode, and you are going to select screen. And that's it, super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!